All right, y'all, we are back with another video and we got some breaking news. Oh, Big Fanny is in trouble. I'm telling you, every time we turn around, something new comes up about Fani Willis, and it's never good, which is a good thing for Donald Trump and us that supports Donald Trump. Now, we got to get straight into this because it seems like it was an ex-attorney that stole $15 million from the government. And it was an ex-attorney and they used some of that money to donate to Fani Willis's campaign. Now, she want to go after Donald Trump on these stupid charges and stuff like that, which this right here shouldn't even be no case. But she took money from a criminal. Like, that's the reason why we've been saying this for the longest, that this case needs to be thrown out that she got against Donald Trump. This woman is a fraud. Now, you turn around and talk about she took money from somebody that stole $15 million. We definitely about to get straight into this article. I had to show y'all this. Fani Willis has been busted. So like I said, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Shout out to everybody showing so much support. Everybody been leaving positive comments in the comment section. I also want to thank everybody who clicked on the video for the very first time. I appreciate all of you, and I appreciate everybody who watches the entire video. When you do that, YouTube will share it so more people can see my reaction and stuff like that. And I really, really appreciate everybody that shows support. And right before we get into this video, if you haven't seen my live stream, I just went live. Donald Trump had a rally in Las Vegas. And I just got through streaming that, so make sure you go to my channel, go to the live section, and check out the live stream and stuff like that with Donald Trump rally in Las Vegas. It was amazing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into this. As y'all can see right here, the headliner say Donald Trump prosecutor Fani Willis got donation from ex-city attorney convicted of a $15 million fraud. Now, we go down right here, say, a former Atlanta city attorney who was sentenced to 7 years in prison over a massive $15 million pandemic loan fraud donated to Trump prosecutor Fani Willis' campaign after applying for the government handouts, records show. Shalita Robertson, 62, used some of her ill-gotten windfall for lavish purchases, including a massive 10-carat diamond ring and a Rolls Royce, according to federal prosecutors. But she also donated $1,000 to Willis' Democratic primary election campaign around the time she got the massive payouts from the Paycheck Protection Program, Georgia campaigns filing show. So Fani Willis is taking money from a woman who stole from the government. She's riding around in a Rolls Royce, a 10-carat ring. And this is the person that's trying to take down Donald Trump. Fani Willis. This is the woman that's trying to take down Donald Trump, but she's taking money from a woman, a 62-year-old woman who stole money and donated some of that money to Fani Willis' campaign, but she wants to go after Donald Trump. You see the hypocrisy? Fani Willis should be in jail. I've been saying this for the longest. I'm still upset with Judge McAfee, and I still don't trust him. Not at all. Like I said, he did all of this crap just because he wanted to be reelected, and everybody that supports Fani Willis, he wanted them to vote for him. So I still don't trust him, and you know I don't trust Fani Willis. So we get right here, say last year, Willis charged former President Donald Trump with racketeering following a 13-count indictment accusing him of trying to illegally overturn the results of the 2020 election results in Georgia. Trump is one of 19 people indicted in this sprawling case. He has pleaded not guilty and denies all wrongdoing. This is not the first scandal to hit Willis since she launched a high-profile prosecution against Trump. The case is currently in legal limbo after Trump and other defendants sought to have Willis removed over her affair with Nathan Wade, another prosecutor, which we all know about that crap, how she stole money, went on these trips and stuff like that. She had no receipts. None of that, just lied under oath. She lied. Terrence Bradley lied. Nathan Wade lied. He looked in the air for about 30 seconds before he, tried to remember, did he ever go to the cabin with Fani Willis? I mean, all of them just lied. This woman is in hot water, the reason why she should have been removed. But you got a judge that wanted to split the baby by letting her stay on the case and letting her remove Nathan Wade. Like that was just crazy. Then we go right here and say, A judge ruled that the relationship did not present a sufficient conflict of interest to kick Willis off the case. But last week, the Georgia Court of Appeals delayed the trial for months after it said it would review the judge's decision in October. Robertson, a Democrat who ran unsuccessfully to be a circuit court judge in Fulton County in 2010 and 2014, donated to Willis in May of 2020. Willis went on to defeat her scandal-hit boss, longtime District Attorney Paul Howard, in the Democratic primary after a runoff in August of 2020. A spokesman for Willis did not immediately respond to a request for comment on Sunday. So this woman who stole money tried to be a judge. So Fani Willis knows this woman. So she pretty much know what this woman does. And she still took money from this woman. She took the $1,000 donation, knowing that this woman is a criminal. She stole from the government. So like I said, Fani Willis need to be gone immediately. So we get right here to say, in April and May of 2020, Robertson, a former Atlanta assistant city attorney and an ex-cop in Georgia's largest city, fraudulently applied for millions of dollars in government loans for 4 businesses she owned, prosecutors said. The loan application falsely inflated the number of employees and average monthly payroll for each of the 4 businesses, resulting in larger PPP loans than Robertson would be legitimately entitled to obtain, the Department of Justice said. She also filed fake tax documents to support the loan applications, prosecutors said. And I'm going to bring it right back to this. This is the woman that Fani Willis supports. This is the woman Fani Willis accepted that $1,000 donation from for her campaign, and she just overlooked it. I'm pretty sure Fani Willis would have known something, that this woman has a Rolls Royce. She got a 10-carat ring on. She more likely ain't married. And Fani Willis didn't try to look into that like she's trying to look into everything that Donald Trump do. This woman is a fraud, and she need to be arrested. Fani Willis needs to be removed. This case she has against Trump needs to be over. It needs to be over. This right here is just crazy. Just crazy. So it's a Robertson used the fraudulent money to buy a 10-carat diamond ring and a Rolls Royce, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reported. She also transferred some of the money to other relatives and her co-conspirator, Chandra Norton, also a disbarred attorney. A jury convicted Robertson of a conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and money laundering on December of 2023, so they got her 3 years later. And she started giving money to relatives. And then she gave money to another attorney that got disbarred named Chandra Norton. So this woman, Robertson, is corrupt all the way around. She's a thief. She lied to get these PPP loans. She tried to act like she had people working for her just so she can get a bigger PPP loan, because she's been doing this for the longest, and they got it 3 years later. And this is the person Fani Willis supports. But she wants to go after Donald Trump, though, and look over crap like this. We ain't going to look over it. We going to talk about it. We ain't going to look over it. We're going to talk about this. You're going after Donald Trump for no reason, just because you don't like him. You're trying to do Joe Biden a favor. Jack Smith trying to do Joe Biden a favor. Letitia James trying to do Joe Biden a favor. Alvin Bragg, another scumbag, trying to do Joe Biden a favor. The more y'all attack this man, the more he rise in the polls. Like I said, I just did a live stream. The man had 20,000 people in Las Vegas at his rally. Joe Biden can't get that many people. He can't. So we going down right here. This is right here at the end of the article. It say she was sentenced Friday to 7 years and 3 months in prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release. Robertson broke down in tears upon hearing her sentencing Friday, hours after telling the court she was dead broke, according to the AGC. My businesses is gone. My law license is gone. My assets are gone. The only thing I have left is my family and my faith in God, she said. Robertson will get credit for the 6 months she spent in custody since December. So there we go, right there at the end of the article. So you know, it always these people who commit these crimes and then all of a sudden they want to bring God into it. Y'all ever notice that? People that commit these crimes been doing this for years, getting away with it. They didn't care about God then. You didn't care about God then when you was lying to get these large PPP loans as if you had people working for you. And then you talk about your business is gone. It seemed like to me you didn't have a business. It seemed like you made up all this crap. And you got Fani Willis that supports all of this. We got Fani Willis that took money. So, because you know, Fani Willis, this could get her tied to this. When you take money from somebody who stole something. She stole this money and gave you $1,000. I don't care if it was $500. The money was stolen, weren't hers. Now she crying saying she dead broke. But you weren't broke when you was buying the Rolls Royce, when you had the 10-carat ring on and you was giving money to family members. You donated to Fani Willis. So this all comes back to Fani Willis on why are you going after Donald Trump, but you let criminals like this get away and you're taking money from them. So, like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this. I had to bring this to y'all. Fani Willis is busted. She has been caught, and that's the reason why, like, this case she has against Trump has been halted. So this right here, there's no way she can get this case going to trial for November, because I think it's a hearing in October. So there's no way there'll be a trial before November. And we have to get Donald Trump back in office, because this is the corruption that is going on with these people that's going after Donald Trump, but they are the one that's committing the crimes. They are the one committing the crimes, not Donald Trump. They want to take him down to try to help Joe Biden and think putting this conviction charge on him, trying to put him in jail is going to stop people from voting for him, but it's not. It just makes people want to keep voting for Donald Trump. So, like I said, y'all, that's the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this. Thank you all for watching, especially the ones that made it to the end. I had to bring y'all this because this right here was some big news. And like I always say, it's bad news for Fani Willis, but good news for Donald Trump and the supporters of Donald Trump. We love news like this because we know that Fani Willis is a fraud. She's a liar, and she only going after Donald Trump to try to help Joe Biden out, but it's not working. So, like I said, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.